lost a lot of weight, or maybe you just delivered a healthy baby. The bad news for many women, though, is the stretch marks that are left behind. Consumer reporter Roseanne Coletti tells us about a new laser treatment designed to treat veins, but getting results on stretch marks as well.
See, it'll look a little bit red after the treatment.
The flashing green light you see on your screen is the reflection of the VersaPulse laser at work. Dr. Bruce Katz is using it to treat Susan Kelly's stretch marks, stripes she says she earned delivering twins.
They're kind of spidery and white color at this point. My twins are 6 now, so they've somewhat faded away from the purplish red. They've gone to a white silver.
So how effective is this laser treatment? What are the questions you should ask? And how do you find out if it's right for you?
Looks a lot better, Susan.
First, the manufacturer says the laser pulse hits the skin 20 times longer than previous lasers can, allowing it to penetrate deeper. Secondly, it shoots through a glass chill tip, which contains circulating cold water to prevent the upper layers of skin from being damaged.
The previous lasers that we used to use would cause a big burst of energy to hit the skin for a very short period of time. This would cause people to get bruising and a lot more reactions and swelling than they do with this new laser. So it gently heats the skin, travels more deeply into the tissue, so we actually get improvement in the collagen and much less in the way of side effects.
If you're thinking of trying this, ask yourself these questions. How old are your stretch marks? Newer ones respond better. Do you get keloids or raised bulky scars? If so, you're in danger of more scarring. Do you have problems with skin discolorations? A question especially important for women of color.
They may have problems with post-inflammatory pigmentation after, so we have to pre-treat them with certain medicines to prevent that from occurring. But generally speaking, we've been very successful in treating stretch marks for any women, and their color really is not an issue at all.
We found doctors disagree among themselves on whether the VersaPulse laser is better for stretch marks than previous lasers. The manufacturer, Coherent, says not all doctors are reporting the same results, but overall the results on stretch marks are exciting.
They definitely lightened up and faded from where they had been, so that you can notice a big difference.
Now what about price? Expect to pay several $100s per treatment, and you generally need more than one. Roseanne Coletti, News Channel 4.
Researchers are also looking into new topical creams that may actually help get rid of stretch marks.